Let's take a quick look at today's top headlines with stock overview. Supreme Court to hear Women's Reservation Act petitions. The Supreme Court is scheduled to hear petitions challenging the timeline for the implementation of the Women's Reservation Act, with some petitioners advocating for its enforcement before the 2029 elections. India's GDP growth projection. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has projected a resilient economic outlook for India, with a 6.5% GDP growth for the current financial year, citing strong domestic demand. IIT Bombay's Mission Daksha. IIT Bombay will spearhead Mission Daksha, a project to develop satellites equipped with powerful space telescopes to study deep space phenomena like gamma-ray bursts. New GST regime implemented. India's new GST Goods and Services Tax 2.0 regime has come into effect, simplifying the tax structure to two slabs, 5% and 18%, and aiming to reduce the prices of daily essentials and electronics. Vande Bharat sleeper trains. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced that 2 Vande Bharat sleeper trains will be launched soon. National Film Awards announced. The 71st National Film Award ceremony was held, with Vikrant Massey winning Best Actor for 12th Fail and Mohanlal and Shah Rukh Khan also receiving key awards. Heavy rains in West Bengal. Heavy rainfall has caused flooding in several districts of West Bengal, leading to school and college closures. India-US trade negotiations. India and the US are engaged in ongoing trade discussions to explore new frameworks, with a focus on tariffs, market access, and technology collaboration. NHRC launches internship program. The National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) has launched an online short-term internship program (OSTI) for college students to raise awareness about human rights. Operation against Naxals. Home Minister Amit Shah announced a major victory against Naxalites in the Abujamad region with the elimination of 2 top leaders. PM Modi's Swadeshi call. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged citizens and businesses to buy and sell made-in-India products to boost the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. World Food India 2025. The World Food India 2025 event is scheduled to take place in New Delhi from September 25th to 28th. India's first overseas defense manufacturing facility. A defense manufacturing facility by Tata Advanced Systems Limited (TASL) was inaugurated in Morocco, marking India's first overseas venture in the sector. New plant species in Western Ghats. Researchers discovered a new flowering plant species, Impatiens selvasinghi, in the Kudremukh range of the Western Ghats. Barren Island volcano erupted. India's only active volcano, Barren Island in the Andaman Sea, experienced minor eruptions on September 13th and 20th. Adi Karma Yogi Abhiyan. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs and the UN in India launched the Adi Yuva Fellowship and Adi Karma Yogi Volunteers Program to empower tribal youth. GST Savings Festival. The BJP launched a nationwide GST Savings Festival campaign from September 22nd to 29th to promote the benefits of the new GST rates. Airtel and Meta partnership. Airtel and Meta, formerly Facebook, have announced a collaboration to expand their digital infrastructure and provide 5G services across India. India-Pakistan cricket match. India defeated Pakistan by 6 wickets in a super form match of the Asia Cup. Railway special trains for festivals. Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav announced that 12,000 special trains will be operated for the convenience of passengers during the upcoming Diwali and Chhath festivals.